Hey guys, it's Kate, of course. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have another wig to share with you guys from Sunber hair. Just in case you guys are interested, be sure to check my description box below because there will be links to this wig. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. I do have it in 24 inches, and then it also comes with a stocking cap, an elastic band for your hairline onto the wig. So like I said, this wig comes with the tape, so you can use the tape. This tape is strong, but you have to clean off like your hairline first in order for it to really work. But when it works, trust me. So this is what the wig looks like. Here is the hairline. And these are the curls. It's already pre-curled. The lace is already cut off, as you can see. And the knots are already bleached. But here's the construction. So that's what it looks like in the inside. It doesn't have any combs in the front, but it does give you that elastic band that is removable, and it's also adjustable. They give you a comb in the back, and it does come with this little grippy piece, which I really like. And it also comes with the adjustable strap, so you can move it to adjust it to your head sides. Before I try her on, I'm just going to go ahead and add my finishing powder to the lace and adjust my straps. Alright, so this is what it looks like on, and like I said, I already did a wig that looks like this, and the color is always a plus because, do y'all see this color? The color is really nice. I did add my finishing powder, but I can still see the lace, so I'm gonna go in with my gel because I still cannot find my my like satin foam, whatever it's called. So I have my Eco Style gel, and again, this is not going to lay down the lace because, as you can see, this is glueless, but I feel like it will blend the lace in a little bit more because right now, did I get it on the hair? Right now it's looking ashy. So I just dab it. Oh. And I don't know if y'all see that, but it do make a difference. Boy. So they are really like fluffy and soft and bouncy. Also, this color. The color is really pretty. Yeah, y'all, these are really pretty. So I'm gonna show y'all, like I'm gonna style it how it already comes packaged, but then I'm going to, the second style is gonna be how I'm actually gonna wear it tonight. So, ow, did y'all hear that? Ooh. Probably give myself a concussion. Alright, let me take this off. I think it cooked enough. As you can see, it blends in so much better. And of course I'm gonna go in and curl just the front pieces. And that's literally it. As you can see, this is a kind of put on your head, and what's done is done. These wigs are just getting easier and easier. If you wanted to customize the wig, you wanted your hairline looking a little better, I will go in and pluck it, but it is wearable straight out of the packaging. And that's basically it. The knots are already bleached, the curls are already curling. What more can you ask for? The hairline isn't bad at all, and the wig is not like thick up in here. Don't you know some wigs with the thick density where the lace is? No, it's gonna lay. I did put heat to it so it can just lay a little bit more flat, especially on this side, because you know one side be up and then the other side be laying how you want it to. So yeah, y'all, this is quick, easy install, and what the wig looks like straight out of the package. I didn't even add anything to my part because I felt like it could work. Like, I don't need to add anything to the part. Of course, if you wanted to add concealer or finishing powder, you could. But yeah, she's real cute, real cute. Real cute. And before I move any further with styling this wig, it is glueless. Y'all see? Definitely glueless. Look how good it looks, y'all. But I forgot to show it when I had the middle part, so I wanted to show it now before I go ahead and style this wig. Y'all see how good it lays down? And even still, it's cute like this. But alright, y'all, so my old faithful, I love this hairstyle. Just, I don't know, I feel like it fits me, so that's why I always do it. But I'll come up with some more hairstyles, but this is like the quick and easiest thing to do for me, especially when I'm cutting layers in it, because I just feel like it looks so much more full. I have options on my page, so just scroll if you're interested in this one. The links will be listed in my description box. And yeah, I love you guys. I will see you in my next video.